He loves a banana. And his son.
Alright, so we're up here experimenting today.
I broke my balls.
Yeah, us three.
All of us broke a ball.
Okay, so, alright, basically, what I did is I took a small front tire from a crappy BMX bike and put it on his mountain bike. And this is what it's turned into. Oh yeah, and I also raised the seat a lot.
Hello there.
Let's go off-roading.
What?
No, I'm filming.
Johnny, come on.
Johnny, are you ready?
I'm not looking for it.
Alright.
Hello, no matter.
This bike is very sketchy.
What?
Guess what? Taco shell!
Oh crap, a branch just hit me in the face.
Off-roading over Tiny Hill.
Ah, there we go, smooth. Oh no. I don't think I can go through here.
I am stuck.
Oh crap, crap.
I got stuck.
This is hard to go through with one hand. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I don't get fined for this. It's like a $2,000 fine for littering in the field, but I don't know if riding a bike counts. It's not really littering. I made it a little far out. Where'd they go? I don't see them. Crap. Well, I'm screwed. All the way out here. No water, no food. Let's go. Oh. Johnny, what are you doing? I don't have a wide enough angle. Right. Here, let me ride it for a minute.
Yeah, let him ride it.
I haven't rode it yet.
I'm in Nevin. Crap, I'm losing all your names.
Alright.
Froggy!
Alright. No, don't run over the frog.
I know. I'm
Where?
scaring it away.
Over there. Right here. It's filming.
I know it is.
Alright. So here we go. I'm trying it out. I haven't tried it ever since we raised the seat. So I'm not sure what to expect. Let's give it a go. Oh crap, this is weirder than I thought. Downhill.
Whatever you do, do not stand or look up.
Look up.
Why not look up?
Well, like if you lift your whole body up, you're
You're a terrible filmer. Just,
yeah, I know.
what should I do? Should I try something?
Offload.
Here, wait. Hold on. I'm taking this on the old dirt jump. Come over here.
Just gotta get rid of these
Up by
nunchucks.
brakes. Subscribe to me.
No,
You're going on.
no, whatever you do, don't do it.
Do it.
Bring it over here.
I make the best fun.
Johnny, hold on.
I didn't jump.
After this, I'm probably gonna go home and play Destiny.
Oh, crap. Now do it with a high setting. Offload it, Henry.
Alright, hold on.
Will it, will it? Nope.
Here, come down here.
Incoming!
Alright, this is extreme drifting.
Yes, extreme drifting with Henry. Whoop-de freaking do.
This is volume 2 of extreme drifting. Volume 1 is on in.
Johnny, get out of the shot.
Alright, you ready? You ready for this?
And pops the tire.
I don't.
It's his bike, so it doesn't matter.
Hey. Okay, let me do a drift on your bike.
No, don't.
I'll try to do a drift and end up wrecking the entire
I
thing.
swear if you do, I will hit you in the face with a tire. That's gonna get weird getting you.
Here, Johnny, let me see your bike.
Alright, hold on.
Hey, raise the seat all the way, Johnny.
Good camera. camera, bro. Okay. Here we go. I hope I'm in frame. But they're over there doing stuff, and I'm over here doing more stuff with some stuff on them. Alright.
No, that's not off-roading. Bit left, Nevin.
Oh, crap.
Watch out! Ow!
Well,
That seat freaking hurts.
He lost a banana. And his son.
wait, are these
They're beans.
deer prints or are those?
ISIS prints.
those
Crap, no, we can't upload it to YouTube.
Oh man,
Ad Apocalypse.
dude, they're gonna ban this.
Huh?
They're gonna ban this video when I upload it.
Oh.
They'll upload.
Right now, the ad.
That one actually kind of looks like a footprint.
Maybe it's ISIS.
That's a Yeti, dude. That's a legit Yeti.
Alright, dude, seriously, don't start with that.
Wait, you guys want to go Yeti hunting? Here, follow me.
Yetis live in the Alps.
No, follow me.
You mean Bigfoot?
No, follow me.
No, let's follow him.
We're going Yeti hunting.
No,
Out there. Out there in the field. Crap. For a second, from a distance, I thought that was an old Jordan shoe that we found. It's just a pile of crap.
No, that's a watermelon.
That's not a... Wait, is that watermelon? I think it might be. Crap.
Yep, that's watermelon.
Is it?
Yep.
It is! Watermelon!
Hey, you want some watermelon, Nevin?
I don't want some old crusty watermelon.
Come on.
It's not green anymore.
Oh, why'd you throw that at me?
It's not green anymore, that's the good thing.
Yeah,
Who likes green watermelon?
camouflage.
Oh god, there's a spider on me! Oh my god! Get it off.
I think it's those kamikaze spiders. Johnny, do you think it's one of them kamikaze spiders?
Yeah.
Because like one day we were under those trees and spiders just kept on jumping on us.
More likely.
Here, wait, I'm gonna follow him. Here, grab his bike.
Fireflies are out, suckers.
Oh wait, hold on, we didn't show them the workshop. It's a totally professional workshop with a tire and a bike pump in the yard.
One tire.
And we got this piece of junk.
Dude, look at Nevin's right brake. Look how good this is. Wait, ready? Look at its retraction. Right? Still going.
What?
It's retracting, see?
Oh.
It's the slowest retraction ever. Okay, can we put the big tire back on now?
Alright, yeah. Alright, we're putting the big
Where'd
tire
my
back on.
nunchucks go anyway? I don't know.
You had them last.
Oh yeah.
It
Don't-
broke. It
don't-
just broke.
Space!
Be careful with that, please.
Okay, I think that needs a little air. Here, bring it over here.
You're like a NASCAR driver. Go, 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 go!
Henry, 30 seconds or less.
What?
30 seconds.
30 seconds or less.
Okay, that's how much time we've got? Crap.
Yeah.
Does that include putting this one back
No.
on that bike?
No, it does not.
Taking it off,
Okay.
it includes
Hold.
taking it off, putting it, unbolting, taking it off.
I know, I got it.
Don't hold it like that.
No, Johnny, you hold it like
Oh.
other way. There you go.
No, that's still wrong.
Oh my god, Johnny, like this.
Ah.
Look, like there you go.
Here we go. I'm
Congratulations.
Face reveal.
I'm cutting that out.
What?
Epic
Bloopers.
camera filmer. Oh crap! I didn't think about this much.
Henry, can you cut out my face then?
No, I cannot. I don't know how to do that. Oh gosh, this is gonna fall. I don't even know where the tools are. Got this, but this is we use this for something else. Where did you even get that?
He just showed you.
If you broke that,
I would have been dead.
I can't stand that.
Kill you.
okay. Has it been 30 seconds yet?
No, I haven't even. No.
All right, start timer.
No, you're not changing that tire. You have to change this tire.
Wait, why am I on this side? All right, 30 seconds.
Hold up. Let me set the timer.
Henry.
Just still start it. It should
Henry,
last 30
look.
seconds. Don't.
It just breaks the tire.
He pulled that string one time and completely broke the whole thing. He like clicked buttons and
Dude,
reprogrammed the whole
Henry.
thing.
Tries to.
Go.
All right.
I'll hold the timer.
No, I got it. 20 seconds.
This thing isn't coming out.
Hey, you gotta be prepared for it for NASCAR.
Hold up. Oh.
For an IndyCar, you have to change it under 10 seconds. I'm not joking, by the way. 6, 5.
Oh my god!
Time's up.
Okay. Anyway, here.
I'll give you another 30 seconds.
That's not how you do it.
Oh no. What does he have? No.
Thank you for free phone.
Okay, but this really isn't coming out.
Nevin, don't.
Let me see it.
Oh. Put my tools.
I'll give you guys 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay.
Dude, I really want this thing for like the zombie apocalypse. This thing.
Johnny, I think this tire is stuck on your bike.
I swear if it is, I'm gonna murder you.
Hold on. Wait, Johnny.
What?
Do you think this will work?
What is it?
A huge pry bar.
I almost have myself in the.
I swear, if this thing gets stuck on the bike. Here, put my tools up. Alright.
A minute 30.
Johnny, your bike is terrible at balancing. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Where did I put my nunchucks?
Life's biggest questions.
Oh, found it.
1 minute left. You would have been kicked off the squad after that. Well, before you even joined.
Are you so far away? What, Johnny?
I like how he just
Johnny,
was
are
like,
you even zoomed in?
yeah,
Really?
yes.
Yeah, he is 100%.
Okay. Hopefully it's not too much zoom.
You're retarded. I didn't realize that. Now we can't upload this video because boom, firebug.
Where?
There. On top. Oh, lightning bug. He just killed.
Kill it.
Kill it if it's on fire. It's been 10 minutes.
What has?
My timer killed itself. It stopped. Don't you dare. Is it up your butt?
No! Johnny, if I put it on my leg, then listen.
I given up on life. So, I'm playing Half-Life, guys. Zombie die! Crap, I don't know where that went.
Ow!
Let me see.
Alright, 30 seconds. I got it in 30 seconds. Ow.
Jesus Christ!
I got it in 30
Put
seconds.
it down. That's
That was
not-
30 seconds.
It's been 8 minutes.
It was 30 seconds.
You got it done in like 8 minutes.
You're just getting them dirty.
Already.
It's rusted.
Throw your nunchucks into the ground.
They won't stick in the ground.
Okay, let me see.
Are you sure about that?
Brakes.
Lightning bug, you gotta kill them all.
You gotta kill them all. That's a Pokemon.
Oh.
Hey, you want my front brakes? They're still pretty good.
Mana Pokey.
Brakes? They're pretty good. Don't throw them. Don't you dare. Hit you. It goes around.
Should I do it?
No.
Dude, you said they're a piece of junk and you can't put these back on.
Yeah, huh? Well, now we can't since we glue them back on.
Hey,
But
hey, guess what?
it hit the tire thing. Please send help.
Johnny, take it out of Zoom!
It is out of Zoom.
It is? You
Yes. Look, it's fully out of Zoom.
One more little tire. Switching over. Oh wait, hold on. Wait. Oh, there it is. You know what time it is, guys.
Here's some brakes.
Here, Nevin, you can keep those brakes. Put them on your bike.
I'm stealing your bike.
All right, where should I put this little light? That apparently doesn't work.
Johnny, hold my chucks.
Hold your truck noise.
Take
Hold your truck noise. No, you.
Guys, my light isn't working.
Henry,
Uh-oh.
Henry, this is my new
It might be
bike.
dead. All my other lights work though.
New bikes, 2017.
Bikes of a future.
Here, put that in the shed.
Okay, Nevin.
Why?
You got it out.
I did not get this out of the shed.
Crap,
Well, you
crap,
can't see. can you?
crap, my bike. Did my chain fall off? It didn't.
Alright, I'm gonna go home. It's Destiny time.
No.
Come on. Let's
You literally play Destiny like 24/7. Almost.
Can we just play a bit more?
You just stay inside, sitting in that little chair, playing Destiny and drinking Monster. What?
Can we just walk around the neighborhood?
I mean, dude, you're level 40. You gotta get some exotic items.
The what?
Gotta get the exotic items.
I have exotic and I'm like 20.
Can we just ride around the neighborhood?
Yeah, these exotic items are level
Oh wait, yeah, hold on.
Hold up.
Hold up.
We're gonna ride around the neighborhood, okay?
Gotta turn my lights on.
I'm gonna go play Destiny.
No, hold on.
Fine, you know what? I'll go around with you, but after that, I'm going home.
And
Destiny away.
we'll go. Alright, got all my lights on. I'm police car man. Hold up. I am police car. Crap. Crap, how do I shift gears like this? There we go. chicken leg?
Freaking.
Ah! What?
Oh, that hurt.
Where'd it go?
Son of a mother.
Where'd he go? No, wait, really? But seriously, where did he go?
I don't know.
What?
Wait, how is he back there?
Where is he?
There's a bat.
Is he back here? Oh, he is. Oh, nice little path. Oh, crap. Crap. Crapola. Crap. Log. Why are there logs back here? Oh, wait. Oh. Crap. I can't make it through here like this. Wait, what has happened? Okay, there. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I don't know. Oh, he stopped. What'd you stop for? What? Oh, that's why he stopped. No, these are my skate shoes. What? Okay. Oh, gosh.
Oh God. Dude.
I might be somewhat stuck. Hold up. Ah. My feet are sinking into this mud. Crap.
Try to get me now.
I thought everything was dried up. I'm gonna have to clean these when I get home, my shoes. These are my skate shoes. Wait, oh crap, there's water over here.
Dude, look. No, dude, this is all wet.
Oh.
This is all wet.
Oh gosh! There's even more water over there. Hold on, I'll turn my light off. What?
Oh my God.
Oh no. Here, wait, is there a fence over there?
Oh crap. Oh crap.
No, my waters are filling with water. Wait, what'd I say? My shoes are filling with water.
Oh crap, dude, I'm in quicksand.
How are we gonna get out of here? It's full of water over here and over there.
Over here.
Hold on. I really hope I don't drop my phone.
Well, I went. It's completely dry.
I don't know where you went.
Through here.
That doesn't look dry. Here.
Turn on your light and shine it through here. Yes.
Okay.
The only way is you have to bike go.
Alright, hold on. Are those
I'm making my escape.
bugs all over my seat? Alright. Oh. Oh gosh, that's a lot of tadpoles.
Huh?
I'm about to ruin their day. Crap, there are so many. Oh gosh. That's a lot.
Henry, you have to get through there now before your bike sinks.
Look how many tadpoles there are in this place.
I can't go over there.
It's completely full. Hold on, I'm gonna have to
Stop
pause.
recording.
I'm gonna have to pause for a minute.
Look at my tires real quickly. Not even these were able to go through it.
Alright, we just got out. My skate shoes are
Ruined.
pretty much until I clean them. Like,
Look at my shoes.
geez.
I didn't know that was it.
Well,
Continue to race. Oh,
sure.
police
Well,
chase.
yeah, my skate shoes are not skateable for right now. Hold on. Oh my gosh, there's so many bugs all over me, dude. Gotta turn my strobes on.
Okay, well, it's a police state. I may have a slightly problem.
What is it?
What? There we go. Month out my chain.
What?
What's shooting up?
Oh, gosh. Yeah, that's muddy. All right, we're not going back there anymore. There is mud flying from my tires, hitting me in the back. Gee. All right, well, are we continuing the police chase?
Yeah.
I can't go through. Oh gosh. I couldn't make that. Oh, that's a lot of bats. Hold on. Here, wait. I'm gonna shine my light towards them. Johnny, get over here. I'm shining my light in the sky and hoping bats come to it. Oh crap. Where are they at? Where are the bats? Oh, there they are. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. There. Oh, right there. There's a bat. Ooh. I see Johnny. And here. He's all the way down there. I don't know. I'm just looking at bats. I'm thinking of bringing one home for a pet. You know what? Ah, crap. They're swooping down all over the place. And there's more mud hitting me. I can't go in the field with one hand on my bike. Next time I'll have to wear my GoPro. Oh, there's a family of bats. That's nice, isn't it? There he is. Up there. Hold on. Actually, maybe I can just hook my GoPro up right now. Nah, too much work. It's inside, I have to walk inside, and it's terrible audio. It's not worth it. Alright. There he is! Found him. Crap. Gotta go with no hands because my back is for mosquitoes. Oh no, he's going. Dang it. Why does he have to keep on going into the field? The one place that I really can't go. I just noticed my camera was zoomed in for a while. No, it's not anymore. Okay, I hear him. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, there's somebody over there. Yeah, I know he's back there, but I'm not going back there. Crap, packages. Dang mosquitoes. Jeez. Could I go back there? I don't think so. Could I not? I don't think I. Too sketchy, too risky. I'll wait for him to come out. I'll actually go down to his house and wait for him. Johnny, I'll be at your house. Speed limit 30. Too bad. I'm going too fast. I'm going like 50 right now. Yeah, oh, shoot. Spiderweb in my face. Crap. Ugh. Spiderwebs are annoying. I hate them. I don't think Johnny is anywhere to be seen. He went into that field. He'll probably never be back. Unless he's back already. I don't know. I'll find out. Yeah, tonight there's a full moon. Means there's coyotes out tonight. I wonder if I'll see one. I see one. Oh, where's Johnny at? Don't see him. Maybe if I just wait, I could find him. Well, maybe he'll come back. I'll put my strobes on. My light's almost dead. That's a bad thing. Dang, that one was close. I don't know if I got that in frame or not, but it was pretty close. I'm gonna go check in the field again. See if I can find him. Probably end the video once I find him. Alright, I might actually have to end the video right here because my phone is at 2% and that's what I'm filming on. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. If you didn't, it's alright. So I will see you next time.